Okay, so for my website, I did Ode to Cookies and Popcorn because I don't know, I thought I would pick something fun that I really love. So, as you can see, I centered everything, well, for the first part at least, and I broke it into two chunks, the popcorn and then the cookies. So up here, I just did like a little intro, and then I did a little poem that I made up, and then I embedded a link so that you can take it to get popcorn. So if you click that picture, it's going to take you to this really cool website that has a ton of different kinds of popcorn, and it opens it in a new window, which is really cool. And then I moved down to cookies where I did an ordered list. So I just did my favorite cookies are, and then each link, if you click on it, takes you to a recipe that I think is really good for the cookies, and again, that opens it in a new window. I should have made the screen capture of the whole thing so you could see because it was pretty difficult, but I got it so that each one opens in its own window. And then I just did a little, a quick note, blah blah blah, just with my opinion about stuff. Then pro tip, serve with hot chocolate. I chose to do this background color just because I thought it would look better than white, which I'm not really sure if it does. I think it looks good with the black text. I'm not sure about like with the pink and the red, but I just felt like I might as well have a little bit of fun with it and make it different colors. And then down here, I didn't center the cookies just because, well, for one, it was pretty difficult to get like the spacing between the list number and the writing, like the labels, correct. But then also, I don't know, I just kind of wanted to do something different. Really, I just was having fun, like doing as much as I could on the website. But yeah, that's it. And then I got it published locally here, and then I'll include my little link to my GitHub page with all the code. So yeah. Okay, actually I just realized if I pause it, I could expand that. So I did that. So here's my little link, and then you can see takes you into the different link if you click on that. So yeah. Alright, thanks.